Welcome to Hanoi, the heart of Vietnam. Hello everyone, and welcome to Tongue Trip today. We're taking you on a journey to Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, a city where ancient traditions meet modern life in the most beautiful way. Make sure to watch until the end to discover Hanoi's most iconic landmarks, hidden stories, and unforgettable local experiences. Hanoi, where history and modern life meet with over 1,000 years of history. Hanoi is not just a city, it's a living museum. From French colonial buildings and ancient temples to peaceful lakes and vibrant street life, Hanoi offers a unique blend of culture, charm, and character that captivates every traveler. What makes Hanoi truly special is its people. Friendly, welcoming, and warm-hearted. Whether you're a first-time traveler or returning after many years, Hanoi greets you with sincere hospitality and a genuine smile. Wander through the bustling old quarter, savor a bowl of hot pho, watch the sunset by Hoan Kiem Lake, or listen to the temple bells echoing from Trang Quoc Pagoda. Every moment in Hanoi is a memory to treasure. Hanoi Opera House, a stunning example of French colonial architecture. Whether you're attending a performance or simply admiring it from outside, the Opera House is a must-see landmark. Temple of Literature, Vietnam's first national university, built in 1070. This peaceful place reflects the country's deep respect for education and Confucian values, with beautiful courtyards and traditional Vietnamese architecture. Hoan Kiem Lake, Lake of the Returned Sword, located in the heart of the city. This lake is surrounded by legends and is a favorite spot for locals to exercise, relax, or simply enjoy the view. Be sure to visit the red-painted The Huc Bridge and Ngoc Sun Temple. West Lake, Ho Tay, the largest lake in Hanoi, perfect for an afternoon bike ride, sipping coffee by the water, or watching a stunning sunset. It's where locals come to slow down and unwind. St. Joseph's Cathedral, often compared to Notre Dame in Paris. This Gothic-style cathedral is a popular photo spot and a beautiful reminder of Hanoi's diverse cultural heritage. Walking street, Hoan Kiem pedestrian zone. Every weekend, the streets around Hoan Kiem Lake turn into a lively walking zone with music performances, street games, local snacks, and a fun, family-friendly atmosphere. Every corner of Hanoi tells a story of resilience, beauty, and tradition. Whether you're wandering through ancient temples, crossing historic bridges, or just enjoying a bowl of pho by the street, Hanoi will leave a mark on your heart. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to explore more amazing destinations across Vietnam. See you in the next adventure.